Next question is from a person who usually works or he usually stays in Saudi Arabia. And the last Ramadan, he started his fast in Saudi Arabia. And Saudi Arabia has a difference of 2 days, or it did last year anyway, from India, which is his hometown. So he came to his hometown, and by the time he'd reached, he'd already fasted 2 days in Saudi Arabia. He wants to know, does he have to finish 30 days and then be left with 2 days in his hometown, which the other people around him are still fasting? Should he consider this to be the point of reference, or Saudi Arabia to be the point of reference, I think is the question.
According to hadith of beloved Prophet Muhammad, it's mentioned in the Sahih hadith of Tirmidhi in the book of fasting, hadith number 697. The Prophet said, start your fast with the people who are starting the fast. Means if you live in a country or live in a place, if those people are fasting, you should fast. And break your fast with the people around you when they break the fast. So if he lives in Saudi Arabia, he should start his fast with the people of Saudi Arabia. If in between in Ramadan, if he goes back to his original home in India, then he should fast till the time his people are fasting. And I'm aware that many a time there's a difference of a couple of days. So if he starts his fast 2 days earlier and he goes to India, by the time he finishes his 30 fast, the people of India may yet have 1 or 2 fasts left. But yet he has to continue fasting till the people of India, even though it exceeds more than 30 days. It may be 31, sometimes 32 days, because the hadith says that fast with the people who are fasting around you and break the fast with the people who are breaking the fast around you. But if it is the vice versa, if he starts the fast in India 2 days late and then comes to Saudi Arabia, then maybe he'll fast 28 days. So in this case, he has to start with the people of India, end with the people of Saudi Arabia, and he cannot fast on the Eid day because it is haram. But after that, he has to at least fast 1 more day, because in any lunar month, it's 29 days. So he should at least fast additional 1 or 2 days to make up for 29 or 30 days, so that it doesn't mean that he has fasted less than the minimum requirement.